Hey guys, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today I'm happy to share there's finally a better choice in home internet. We're going to unbox and set up T-Mobile's new 5G ready high-speed internet gateway. This new internet gateway can help deliver broadband internet speeds right to your home, and the installation is as easy as opening up the box and plugging it in. Let's check it out. Inside the box, you have the quick start guide, documentation, and of course, your new T-Mobile high-speed internet gateway. Just under the gateway in the box are the power adapter and an Ethernet cable, and that's it. A T-Mobile SIM card and a battery are already pre-installed inside your gateway. The battery enables you to quickly find the spot inside your home with the strongest T-Mobile network signal. Now, let me show you just how easy it is to set it up. Okay, so first let's find that spot to place your gateway. It should be in a central location near a window and close to a power outlet. And then you'll plug it in, and that's it. The T-Mobile high-speed internet gateway is a Wi-Fi 6 capable device. That means you'll be able to connect up to 64 devices at the same time. Wi-Fi 6 can also help deliver up to 40% faster Wi-Fi speeds. And because the gateway is T-Mobile 5G ready, you can experience T-Mobile's nationwide 5G on multiple devices right in the comfort of your home. Now that you're set up, let's download the T-Mobile Home Internet app so you can customize settings and change the network name and password on your gateway. Once you have the app downloaded, just launch the app and follow the steps to scan the QR code on the bottom of your gateway. You'll connect to the gateway and be able to confirm your connection status to the T-Mobile network. The app has lots of great features. On the home screen of the app, you can see your connection status, which devices are connected, manage your network, and more. The T-Mobile high-speed internet gateway is perfect for those who want an easy-to-set-up solution for internet browsing and streaming. For more information on the T-Mobile high-speed internet gateway, check it out at tmobile.com/ISP. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Thanks so much for watching.